Welcome to the SIH Cancer Institute. I will tell you, every time I drive on this campus, I get this experience of an uplifting feeling inside. And that may sound strange coming onto a Cancer Institute campus, but the campus was designed to really be a place of serenity and warmth for our patients. But it's also an environment that enables our caregivers to be the best they can be. Our caregivers that are here care deeply for their patients, and they work tirelessly so that every patient can experience that ringing of the bell. It's truly a place of hope and healing, and so when I walk through the doors, I always feel uplifted, I just have to say. I'd like to thank everyone that's here present today for taking the time to attend today. It's a busy world, and we should never take for granted the value of someone's time. And there's 3 of those people who are here today that we definitely shouldn't take for granted, who spend endless hours serving our community of Southern Illinois, and have joined me today to say a few words. Senator Dale Fowler, Representative Paul Jacobs, and SIH Director of Oncology, Tina Berry. On behalf of SIH, I wish to offer my thanks and gratitude to Senator Fowler and to Representative Jacobs for their support of the Cancer Institute. They were instrumental in bringing us the grant dollars that covered the cost of the Greenleaf Cafe and the kitchen upgrades. These upgrades included additional refrigeration space that allows us to have more fresh food options, and a cooking demonstration station that allows our clinical dietitians to help teach patients and their family members how to cook. We have over 300 patients that come here every day. They bring family, they bring friends, they bring caregivers. There's a lot of people that come through here every day, and our food service, our prep area are really important to them, especially being able to teach our patients how to make simple, nutrient-rich meals. Those meals help keep them healthy, and it actually helps them decrease their cancer-related fatigue and other symptoms. So at this time, I'd like to welcome Senator Fowler to say a few words.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, John. Thank you for having me here today, and it's great to be back again.
It's good to have you.
Just 4 weeks ago, we walked through these doors and spoke with you all about a $10 million grant to help cover the cost of the recently completed 20,000 square foot expansion here at Southern Illinois Healthcare Cancer Institute. I'm here today to announce 2 new $150,000 investments to the Cancer Research Center as part of a member initiative grants Representative Jacobs and I were able to help secure. Member initiative grants are incredibly important to our local communities and can serve a purpose for a variety of different things. Whether it's renovations at a city hall, a local state or public park, or sidewalk replacements. We find ourselves here today announcing new member initiative grant money from the Illinois Department of Commerce and Economic Opportunity to SIH for the expansion and renovation of the cafe area. I would like to say a big thank you to DCEO for their hard work in expediting the grant process to make today's announcement a reality. Each day, hundreds of patients and caregivers walk through the doors here at SIH, and they utilize the cafe area. While SIH already provides world-class care close to home, it's obvious that they are always looking for ways on how to do better and to be better. There is no doubt a cancer diagnosis is tough on families and patients receiving treatments themselves. As we discussed 4 weeks ago, this amazing Cancer Institute is and will continue to save lives. This upgrade will enhance the ability to provide even more nutritious meals for patients and staff, supporting their well-being as they continue the important work in cancer research and care in an atmosphere like no other in the Midwest. Today's announcement and investment is an example of how good government continues to work together to ensure our local communities are not left behind and will never be left behind.
Can you hear me now?
Sorry about that. I sincerely hope this grant money and new project will help ease the burden of those in an extremely challenging time already. And now I would like to turn it over to my great friend and colleague, Representative Paul Jacobs. Both of you will welcome on.
I've got a few prepared notes, but I tell you what, anytime I get a chance to talk about my old winery that I sold years ago and the cooking that we did there, and we had classes, so I'm extremely excited about this, and I hope to get an invite to come back and do some cooking so that I can teach you how to cook well. It's great. But listen, I want to thank Senator Fowler, and I also want to thank the SIH CEO, John Antes. I tell you, these guys are working hard, just like I think everybody is. And the entire staff, that serves patients at SIH. These facilities are throughout, we have SIH facilities throughout the region, and everybody's there working hard. As a practicing eye doctor, still, almost 45 years in the area, I know the strong relationship that people have with their doctors, their nurses, and the patients. Their family members, they're our patient, and their primary care providers and specialists. It takes a team to get someone through their cancer treatment, healed and ready to re-enter life as they do it before their diagnosis. That is why today's announcement is so important. A proper diet is essential for all of us, everybody, healthy people, not healthy people, everybody. It's also a critical piece of the treatment, the whole treatment plan for those patients undergoing cancer and cancer treatments. The expansion of the dietary services to the patients will give me an opportunity to come over and show you how to cook, and it's also going to be service to the patients, the families, and the staff that are here at the Cancer Institute. It will make this facility go up even higher on the list of world-class cancer treatment facilities in this country. I'm pleased to be able to join so many Southern Illinoisans here today that have a heart for serving and a heart for healing those facing life-threatening diseases that come with very, very long, hard roads ahead of them. For those of you out there dealing with your cancer diagnosis and treatment plan, know this: these men and these women at SIH Cancer Institute have got you in their hearts and their minds. They have a plan, and they will help you in any way that they can to get you back on your feet cancer-free. Thank you once again for allowing me to be part of today's announcement. I look forward to great things here in Southern Illinois and ahead for SIH. God bless each and every one of you. Now let me introduce SIH Director of Oncology, Tina Berry. Thank you.
Good morning. It is an honor and a privilege to have the opportunity to express gratitude to our team, our administration, and our community partners in the ability to bring this level of meaningful, holistic care to the community that we serve. The Greenleaf Cafe represents more than an area to grab a snack. Often, it is a gathering place to have your support team around you, a setting to take in the beauty of life outside of these windows, and a moment of refueling. These funds will allow us to provide a space to give education on nutritional food to aid in our patients' healing process and provide tools for when they leave these walls. The pillar of support extended by our community partners is instrumental for our care delivered and outcomes of our patients in the Southern Illinois region. Each of our patients' journey is special, and we are committed to them now and in the future. Thank you.